Hi my friends of the RC truck action world. Today it's time for a quick unboxing. I got a package from ScaleART and it's not that huge, you can see, but it's not small at all and it is not a lightweight. So let's see together what's in there. So let's get the knife and open the box. And what do you think? What's in there? Something to build? A kit? No, something very different. Oh my gosh, did you expect it? Yes, it is the Commander from ScaleART. So let's open the box, or the suitcase, or the case. Are you ready? Oh yes, doesn't this look like? So this is, yes, this is the thing that you can put around your neck, the neck holder, the straps. This is a cleaning thing. Let's open it. Yeah, it's a very soft towel, so you can clean the surface. Okay, let's take out the Commander. So look at this radio. What do you think when you see it? Have you seen something like this before? First of all, I know it's not cheap. It's not cheap, no. It is really expensive. Yes, that's true. But sometimes in life, things that are really good are expensive. This is the bad thing about it. And this controller is just amazing. First of all, when you see it, the surface, this is a glass plate right here. Look how shiny it is. Okay, the bad thing is, when you touch it with your fingers, you're getting fingerprints for sure. You have to clean it up sometimes. But this is not a problem at all. Yeah, it's really heavy. So it's not a lightweight, yes, but it's cool. It's heavy. It's you may know things that are expensive are sometimes heavy. And so far, this is not plastic. This is not plastic, it is aluminum. So the whole corpus is made out of aluminum. This is really nice. And it is the expert version. So it means that these sticks are the pro sticks. So this is the experienced version, the better version. It costs a little more than the standard version. I will put the links in the box below. And yeah, it is just, you have to feel it. This is really cool, and for sure we can turn it on. But in one of the upcoming videos, I will show you how it works. Give you a little bit. Sorry. I will show you how it works and give you a little bit more details about it. In this video, we will just turn it on. Listen. Isn't that cool? This is really cool, huh? And you can see these flashing lights, the blue flashing lights. They flash until your RC truck is connected to the radio. Then they stop flashing and will light permanently. And you have these two great displays, and all the functions of the sticks, of the switches, will be explained in the displays. And it has so many functions, and there's almost nothing you can't do with it. So I will show you later in one of the upcoming videos. I might expect that, or there might be a video upcoming in which I will show you the commander working with a wheeled excavator. This will be amazing. I will show you a wheeled excavator, the one from Damitz, in combination with this radio. This will be amazing. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the box below. And as always, I highly appreciate your feedback, and maybe give me a thumb up. Thank you. Bye bye. Sorry, I almost forgot something. There's something else in the case. These parts. Any idea what it is? Let's open it. So these are the holders. They come close to the radio. I think in this direction, and this comes like this, or no, this around. This is wrong. So something like this, and then you can use the strap to hold it around your neck and your wrist. Good. So this was the last thing I wanted to show you. I almost forgot. Sorry. See you. Bye bye.